The pyramids of Giza stand tall in the Egyptian desert. They are a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Egyptians. These massive structures have fascinated people for centuries. The most famous is the Great Pyramid of Giza. It was built for the pharaoh Khufu. The pyramids are an impressive feat of engineering and architecture. The pyramids were built with millions of stone blocks. Some of these blocks weighed as much as 80 tons. The construction of the pyramids was a massive undertaking. It required a skilled workforce and innovative techniques. The pyramids are a reminder of the power and sophistication of ancient Egyptian civilization. The ancient Egyptians believed in the afterlife. They built pyramids as tombs for their pharaohs. Pharaohs were considered to be divine rulers. They needed a safe and grand resting place for their journey to the afterlife. The pyramids were designed to protect the pharaoh's body and his possessions. Inside the pyramids, there were hidden chambers and passageways. These chambers were filled with treasures and offerings. The Egyptians believed these items would be useful to the pharaoh in the afterlife. The pyramids were also a symbol of the pharaoh's power. They showed his importance and his connection to the gods. Building a pyramid was a complex project. It required a well-organized workforce. Thousands of skilled laborers worked tirelessly on these structures. The workforce was divided into different groups. Each group had its own specific tasks. Skilled architects and engineers played a vital role. They planned and supervised the construction. They used their knowledge of mathematics and astronomy to align the pyramids with the stars. The construction of the pyramids was a remarkable feat of human collaboration and organization. Section 4. Tools of the Trade. The ancient Egyptians used simple but effective tools to build the pyramids. They used copper tools and stone hammers to shape the massive stone blocks. Copper chisels were used for finer work. Wooden levers and rollers helped move and lift the heavy stones. The Egyptians also used ramps and sleds to transport the stones. They poured water on the sand to make it easier to drag the sleds. They were very innovative in their use of simple tools and materials. Their ingenuity is truly impressive. Section 5. Moving mountains of stone. Transporting the massive stone blocks was a major challenge. The stones were quarried at sites located far from the pyramid construction sites. The Egyptians used boats to transport the stones along the Nile River. They built massive wooden sleds to move the stones on land. Teams of workers pulled the sleds with ropes. They may have used logs as rollers to help move the sleds more easily. The transportation of these massive stones required incredible strength, coordination, and planning. Section 6. Conquering construction challenges. Building the pyramids presented many challenges. One of the biggest challenges was placing the heavy stones at great heights. The Egyptians built massive ramps of earth and brick. These ramps allowed them to drag the stones up to the higher levels. Another challenge was the precision required to fit the stones together. They had to cut and shape the stones very precisely. This ensured that they fit together tightly without the need for mortar. Section 7. Enduring legacy of the pharaohs. The pyramids are a testament to the ingenuity, organization, and determination of the ancient Egyptians. They are more than just tombs. They are a symbol of ancient Egyptian civilization and its achievements. The pyramids have inspired awe and wonder for centuries. They continue to attract visitors from around the world. The pyramids remind us of the power of human ingenuity and the enduring legacy of the past.